guys.
Hey guys, it's David and Alyssa here. I haven't been on the channel in a while. Yeah, I don't think he's uploading videos by himself. Remember the 1v1s? Part 1, 2? Those were fun to do.
Yeah, anyways, guys, I'm gonna be doing a mail time, a rare mail time.
But guys, we will be starting a new series, The Oak Survival Lost. Alright guys, and also Oak Survivor Stranded. Also on my channel, also if it's like my cousin Alyssa got a new computer, so if it's like bad, blame her. It's her fault.
It's not gonna be bad. I got a screen recorder,
yeah,
Dumbo.
and I got a new laptop, man. Alright, and so on my channel, I'm going to start publishing Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. Like I got it for Christmas, the best game ever. I beat it in 12 hours. The reason we have not been uploading All Survival yet is I just got it today, guys, and we're testing it out.
We got it. He got it from his father. Well, our father. So, first of all, shout out to her because she sent the most, rares.
Who is it? Just
one of my friends. Her YouTube channel name is It's Just April, then a space, then MSP. So, yeah, shout out to her.
Big shout out to her. Thanks. April. Shout out to Dope David.
I need to refresh for a second because it's laggy.
Being here. Oh, so shout out to Aiden. Or Hiya friends in our channel. Anyway.
David, if you search up our channel, it comes up now.
Like Hiya's or Albino Wolf?
Yeah.
No. Finally. It failed.
No.
It's not the right channel now.
It comes up. It's with a F and not a V. But anyways, so when I log on, I'm just gonna pause this so no one can find out my password. So yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Haven't said goodbye to since our last video. And if so, find the best pack, join us, and you might be featured in one of our videos. And guys,
oh my god, he's so weird.
Please friend me. I haven't been on MSP in a good long year almost, right?
Yeah, his username is CoolAlbino109. So yeah, go ahead and friend him on the USA server.
And if you guys have a PlayStation, my username's XX/O.
Yeah.
Grandma Killer 125.
I have one, but yeah, I don't play on it. Okay, so I'm pausing this right now so I can log on. Okay, guys, so I unpaused it. You can't tell how long it was because yeah. But I'm gonna be opening the gifts now. Everybody knows that it was a rare mail time, and I have one other person to give a shout out to. She does not have a YouTube, so it'll just be to her. But yeah. She said to give it to her main.
Alright, yeah, by the way.
So her main is
Oak Survival Lost will be coming soon.
Never mind about that. So shout out to //SMOL Potato.
Small Potato.
That was her main account, she said. So yeah, shout out to her. And yeah, let's just get to opening the gifts.
Alright, yeah, what's she opening them?
They are gonna talk.
I have something to say. Guys. I have a request. Please, if you find people, say Cool Albino 105 is
109
even is the best. Because if you do, and if you message me that, I will give you something.
Yeah, he still has 3 diamonds, which I'm actually surprised about. He only spent 7 diamonds from the time that he had VIP.
Okay, guys, I look really cool still, I think.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, guys, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you never miss a video. Like the video.
I actually got some of my friends to subscribe.
Alright, we will try to upload daily.
Okay. Okay, guys, so they will be uploading at 5. I will be uploading at any time. So if you find a MSP video with a girl user, that would be my video.
For an MSP video with a boy user, if he has blue hair, it's me. But if it has
You don't have blue hair.
brown hair, I used to have blue hair. If it has blue hair,
Now it's blonde.
It's gonna be me.
Now his is blonde.
Mine is blonde now? Oh yeah.
Yeah, because that girl changed it.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a femme hair. Yeah.
Whoa, what hair?
Femme hair. It's a diamond pack hair.
Nice.
But it was in rare week, so it's not that good anymore. But I still like it. Just like, look at those colors.
Wow.
I like it. So she said she sent a diamond pack rare, but I don't know if she really did. I don't really care if she did or not.
Cutie Kai?
Cutie Kai, yeah.
Is it still recording? Yes. So, guys.
Stop playing with that. It's boring and annoying.
Okay.
David, if you do that, I'm going to kill you.
Right now, guys, I'm going to live stream our first episode of Don't. Just click it.
When?
Lost.
No. When I'm done recording, you can do it, because I don't want too many voices.
No, Alyssa, it doesn't use voice.
Oh, okay.
And click it twice on the share button.
Oh,
It records.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why
And then Chef
am
Factory.
I so laggy? I don't want to be laggy.
Alright, guys, once she's done opening her stuff, we're going to go on my account.
Yeah. I still remember his password, so.
Me too. It's kind of not hard to forget because it's basically my name.
Okay, a sleek hair.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Sometimes. It depends on what hair it is, but sometimes I like hair in non-normal colors.
That hair's nice.
Yeah.
And that hair's kind of weird. But yeah, that hair's nice.
I like the femme hair a lot.
Is that the hair you sat on?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. The Oak Survivor Law series has started.
Okay, it's opening.
Alright, guys, please pause.
No, wait. When I open this gift, I will.
Guys, in the bottom right or something like that.
Hair boy.
You see, cool girl.
10863. That's my main.
That's her main account, and please
go friend it, cause I actually have VIP on it now.
Yeah.
So I can accept more friend requests.
You have a year ticket, right?
Huh?
You have a year ticket, right?
No. That's gonna be in like a month or two. Those dogs are annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this real quick so my brother can do something.
Hang on. Those dogs,
our dogs are really annoying.
And they're in the cages because we're told to put them in the cages.
Because we have family over and yeah.
Yeah, me over.
And our aunt, and our uncle, and other cousins. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause this so my brother can do something.
Here?
Huh?
Gigi's here? Gigi?
Okay, guys. So he just wanted to pause that real quick. I only did get 7 gifts, but I don't really care because, yeah. So I can't wait to open this one because she says that it was a diamond pack rare. I'm not sure if it really was, but I will see.
But let's hope.
Yeah.
In a hurry? I mean,
it's cute. It's cute.
It's weird.
It's cute. Why do my glasses?
Why are the glasses weird?
I don't know. I'm gonna take them off when I'm done.
Yeah.
Wow.
I get goosebumps every time, man.
Curly pigtails.
Ew, no.
I could still get these.
Don't wear them.
I'm gonna wear them.
No, don't.
I'm gonna wear them.
Don't. To show them off.
Actually, honestly, on their character, it's kind of cute though.
It's weird.
I like it. So this is the one I've been waiting for. I don't think it's a diamond pack rare, but
it's definitely, of course, a rare.
Because it was a rare time, but I'm not hitting on her if it isn't.
Hitting on her?
Hating.
Oh. Rose heels.
Can't see them. I want to see them.
Just click where? Wow, that's
oh my
amazing.
God, these are diamond pack shoes.
Here.
These are diamond pack shoes.
Look at those. Holy.
These are diamond pack shoes. Oh my God, she really did send a diamond pack thing.
Okay, guys, thanks for all these gifts.
Yeah, I already gave the shoutouts, so.
Like, especially to It's Just April MSP. Amazing, that last gift.
That wasn't from her. That was from Cutie Kai.
No. That was from.
The diamond pack shoes. No.
Oh, put me to.
Okay, last gift.
But April, this is the last gift. It's from April.
This was the very first gift that I got sent.
So starting with April and ending with April.
Yep. I actually have the accessory that goes with the rose heels.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys, comment down below how to support this. Comment down below if you play an instrument, and if you do, what one.
Also, comment down below your username if you're on the USA server so I can friend you.
And I will be picking one of you guys random, and I will send you. No, and I'll gift you on MSP if you have an MSP account. I'll also put your MSP thing. I will be gifting you one of you random, like maybe a VIP ticket.
You don't have one.
I can buy it.
You have to go on. You have to either get a Eurostore VIP or you have to go on their account.
I know.
Okay, guys.
How can you buy that though?
Okay.
I have ways.
Guys.
Whatever.
Okay. So once every now and then, if you comment down below,
We'll
you
be
subscribed,
and you have
no,
the
and you
notification bell.
and you follow the hashtag notification squad.
Oh no! Hashtag Wolf Squad.
Hashtag wolf squad.
Then you will be able to
Join the wolf gang. So how'd you guys, not a gang, but the pack. How'd you guys like that? Comment down below. And as always,
See you guys later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Well, and we're literally recording the video after this. It can be my account, and I'm gonna be controlling it. So yeah, bye bye.
Bye, guys.